Hello guys, this is one of my projects in Scratch. It's actually a project of multiplayer. Just right now, I'm just playing it. I'm the Black Bat, and my goal is actually to touch the ball. As you can see, it's so fast. So, so my section of points is on this side, as you can see, and the gray one with black actually is this. So if it touches, you will get multiple points. So it has a flying effect with controls. See, if I do right, it goes right, and left, it goes left. So this is my game. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, IT Victories. I also have um, up uploaded many of the Scratch projects I have been working on. And thank you for your cooperation, and see you.